You want one?
Sure, Steve.
All right. There.
Thanks, Steve. Hey, are you okay? You want to talk about it?
No, it's nothing.
Oh. Where's Nancy?
Nancy?
Yeah.
Nah, that ended like a few months ago.
What? What happened?
Yeah. Well, I did a pretty shitty job as a boyfriend, so can't blame her.
Sorry to hear that.
Besides, there is this other girl I've met, and she's like perfect.
Oh, what's she like?
Yeah, it's crazy.
No, it's not.
She's like so funny and has so much more personality than any of these chicks at school, you know? Like, when a girl has a good personality, yeah, that's the deal breaker for me.
Did you ever tell her how you feel about her?
Nah, she doesn't know yet.
Then why don't you tell her about how you feel about her?
Haha, yeah, right. You need a blanket or something? It's kind of chilly.
Yeah, it's freezing out here.
Hold on a sec. Hope this enoughs. Let me help.
Thanks, Steve.
Better?
Much.
I know what you've been going through.
Really?
Yeah.
But I have a lot on my plate.
It's not your fault. Life just happens.
I'm trying to do the best I can.
Well, I wish my stupid heart was strong as yours.
I'm gonna stand up in
What
front
are
of
you
him.
doing?
I'm gonna kneel in front of him and I'm gonna kiss him.
How did you know?
Well, I'm the only one person you invited here.
Fair enough. Come here.